Many of you have asked me, approached me that as madam you have suggested for the summer vacation, but what type of activities for the children we can suggest at home. So wonderful idea has been given. So I have brought at least 13 activities, good activities which the child can do at home, and it will be obviously a fun kind of, and a learning also will be there, and it will be all about the family bonding also. The first thing is the children can do at home. They will be having lot of hoops activity, like jumping activity, like a round ring. They can just place around their houses. Whenever they get free time, they can jump and they can have such kind of activities to engage themselves. And the second thing, camp in the backyard. If you have the good place at your home, otherwise in front of your house or backside, otherwise on the terrace, can plan at least weekly, twice or thrice, one small kind of camp. Okay, you will be getting a small tent. Otherwise, one like in our days, we used to go to the village and we used to go on the terrace and have mosquito net, and in that only we used to plan some small camp. So with your family, you can plan that also. It will be a very good fun activities also. There you can play some Ludo, some whatever your favorite game, you can just plan it. And evening time, wherever the near to your house, if you have any park or good stretch where you can do the cycling. Cycling is a very good thing which you should just understand in morning hours only, and evening hours only you should do due to the heat. Okay, and you can just have some company, like 4-5 people, you all can start togetherly. You can just reach at least 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers in a such a way. You can just plan these things also. And the fourth thing, which is very good, you have to spend the time with your mother, and you should learn cooking. It means the cooking time. So what you should learn, like making salad, preparing juices in breakfast, and evening time also cut down some good vegetables which we can eat raw also, like carrot and all such kind of things. You can just work on that. We can prepare some good sandwiches. So in such a way you should learn and enhance the knowledge towards the food habits also, and it's good that you are helping your mother. And the fifth thing, just plan for the home picnic. You can just think of who are those relatives, your family friends who can come to your home. Otherwise you can go to your home, just prepare some food there. Otherwise you can just plan as a potluck. So these are the things which you can do as a home picnic. Because what happens, as much as people, because this is the COVID time also, you should be very careful also. You should not meet with everyone. So to whom you can trust, with them only you can plan at your home instead of going out. The sixth thing is, that is which I feel is a very good things, near to your home, like outside of your house, which you find that some color of the wall got stained. So what you need to do, you can just paint it. You can paint some pots, you can paint some rock, you can just remodify. So what will happen, it will give a new look to your home, and you could say that this was done by me only during my summer vacation time. The seventh thing, which I feel that if you go to your village or any place where you are going for summer vacation, otherwise near to your home, you have any places where you could find the water, go for the fishing. Fishing is a very good skill which gives a lot of relaxation, as well as is very good for the right and brain and left brain also to think properly. So you can just plan for the fishing also. It's a good activity for the concentrations, and it's a good fun activity also which you can just have it. Then the eighth thing, which is I feel you all should just adapt, especially in the summer, because too heat actually in the summer. So what happens, what about the animals, what about the birds? They will be looking for the water. Please, outside of your home, please have some bowl of water, even on the terrace and balcony, wherever you find, store some water and give to them. It's a very good things and very good habit where we have, as a human being, we have to serve for the other being also. The ninth thing is that I feel that also you all should just do that, where you just find out whatever the places near to your home, like a park, some community places, there also you should just start doing some activity which can help for the other community also, like obviously do some charity there. Even you can plan in the summer some retreat you can do, like gathering, not too much of gathering. You can plan keep some pot water pot, so that anyone goes, so they can just have a water and all. Near the park also can plant some good plantation you all can do. So such kind of things you can just have the discussion with the other your friends there, and you all can together with the safety measurement you all can plan it. The 10th thing, that is, I feel every child should just learn it at home, like art and craft. Art and craft means at your home lot of wastage will be there for the last year, and obviously for 1 year what if the collections are there, like some good amount of papers you will be having, your old books you will be having, newspaper, any craft items, what you can do, just reuse it and just plant something. While doing that you can just decorate your home also, and that's your creativity which you can just bring it. So art and craft, it means craft related some things you should do, but don't waste the material. You should all the time recycling the things. So whatever the items are available at your home, with that only you should plan. Then the 11th thing which you have to do, plan for the bonfire. Bonfire means obviously now summertime, it's a lot of heat and all. So obviously in night time only, whether if you have the place at in front of your house, or you have the place wherever you stay. So especially in night time only you should plan, can play some good antakshari or some poem, what you have learned, some such a fun activities you can do with your family. And obviously with the bonfire, what will happen, even the mosquitoes also somehow it will be reduced because of the heat and all. So you should just plan sometimes, you can call your cousins, your relatives also, just plan in such activities. Then the 12 things which I feel that very important for the kids, collect some good books during this summer time. For the 2 months you can just read those books, because what happens, reading habits are very important for us, and especially some good story books. These stories books will really help you. So you can just plan for some good collection of the books in the summer vacation time. And the last, which is very important for you all, that which I feel, that to volunteer your time for the services. Just think of these 2 months how you can plan, where you can just really feed others, where you all can just think of that, how I can serve for my family, or what I should do, that I should be benefited for the others' well-being also, like animals, birds, my friends, my elders. In a such a way you can just plan, you can take the help of your parents also, and just plan accordingly. So these 13 tips which I have shared is very useful. Those children are doing and students are doing, they are getting the results also, because summer is a time where you have to improve yourself, develop your character, and obviously so that in the future it should be benefited for you only. So thank you so much, and enjoy your summer time at home.